Hi, Mommy, this is Jasper. Where did you go? I've been looking all over for you. Every morning I wait for you to come down and I can't see you. I miss you so much. Norm taught me a new song I've practiced very hard and I hope you like it. Oh, I'm so nervous, but here goes. Well, Mommy, that's it. I practiced real hard. I hope you like it. Norm said if I learn a few dance steps, I may get on American Idol. Mommy, please come home. Norm's not feeding me enough food, and I think I'm going to starve. I miss you so much. I love you.